So I'm at an outdoor range for the first time. Really nice place. 30, so it's my first time shooting at 30. Let's see how this goes, because I've only shot at 20 at my house. So let's see if we're actually dialed in and I wasn't just shooting all wrong at the house. I don't know. I feel like I pulled that one bullseye. Let's go down there and check. Nah, this is a pretty cool course, man. They got the little big old moose. I don't know if you can see that moose. These are terrible shots. Looks like I'm a little to the left. We'll fix that. Let's have some fun. I'm about to shoot 40. I know they're hitting something, so I don't know. Let's pray that it's on target. I mean, we're somewhat dialed in. And hopefully I wasn't thinking I was shooting at 20 yards at my house when I really wasn't. Let's see what we got. Low and to the left. First time shooting 40. It's not terrible, but we got some work to do. I'm gonna shoot one at 20, one at 30, and one at 40. Let's see what we... That's 20. I just got this kisser put on here, so still getting used to it. That was 30, and now let's do 40. Let's see what we got. So this is 20, not terrible. This is 30, not terrible. And 40 is terrible. This is terrible, but it's okay. First time shooting this far, the outdoor range. Keep shooting.